So ayun guys, bali kasama pala natin ngayon si Chef Eugene. Bali nandito kami sa new location ng GFH Street Restaurant guys. Located at 35 Street, Mahara Building, shop number 13, Rashadia 1, Ajman UAE guys. Just behind the clock tower and you will see the new location of your GFH Street Restaurant. So hope to see you all over here guys. Chef Eugene, anong gusto mo sabihin sa viewers natin?
Hello guys, assalamualaikum. Magandang dining dito. Quality yung food, standard, the best. At masarap ang pagkain. At mahusay ang mga chef dito. Chef Eugene, Chef Jan, Chef Bon. The best quality, good. Thank you guys. Hope to see you.
So ayun guys, what are you waiting for? Please visit to the new location of your GFH Street Restaurant. Thank you so much guys. Assalamualaikum.
Peace out.
Mag-isa, nagsimula sa wala. Ngayon patuloy ang abante kahit na madapa. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang ang hilig. Umusad mang mabagal ay hindi tayo titigil. Marami man sa atin ang hindi naniniwala. Di naman sila yung magbibigay sa ating biyaya. Marami magsasabi sa'yo na hindi mo kaya. Gawin mo